going on here? What am I doing here? What do you mean, how do I mean? What am I doing here?
Have you forgotten? Yesterday you drank so much.
Not yesterday.
Nah,
As
today. Chief, at a point open for me. When you open, do you look inside? Hey! Close down.
You put me inside you.
Let's go. Pick it up. Ready? Pick up
That's still
and
rolling. No.
and action.
Forgotten. You drank so much and you begged me to bring you here. And when we got here, you started telling me how much you missed me all this while that we were separated. And before I knew it, you now started touching me. And
I now started touching you. I now started touching you as a cloth of age, Maria. Where? Now listen, this never happened. Oh yes. Hey! You put. Did you?
yes,
Shut up your mouth, sweet Wogeba. Now where's my clothes? Go get my clothes now!
No, ask where's my clothes first. Then she'll talk. Let's go. Ready and action.
Where's my clothes? Where is my clothes?
I soaked your clothes. I want to wash it for you. So that by tomorrow it will dry and you wear it.
Tomorrow I will kill you. Your bone will dry and will never rise again.
Alright, okay. Pick up and action.
I said let me wash it for you. So that by tomorrow it will dry and you wear it and go to work fresh.
Tomorrow will kill you. You will never reach that tomorrow. You will become a dry bone that will never rise again. You soaked my clothes and you expect me to sleep here till tomorrow. Now watch me go naked. Now.
Alright, boss.
Now,
Breaking point.
Break.
Hey!
Let's go.
Excuse me. Finally.